Lahat tayo may matulog na unta ko naman ng tao. We make lots of money here. Hook up with an American man. You will be happy, secure, and live in a nice house and probably drive a Lexus. Hi, I'm not lucky in that, searching for a foreigner. Before I was, you know, like, okay, I'm gonna find an afam, but then I'm tired. And yeah, it's tiring. When it's for you, it's for you. When it happens, it happens. You don't have to search or look at it, or it's hairy. I'm still young, so I let God. When God give me a man who can accept me and love me, why not? But for now, I'm enjoying myself being single. You know, because it's so hard when you rush things and it's not for you. Even when you're trying hard and it's not for you, it's not for you. I'm tired of that. So I'm enjoying my single life. Actually, there's a lot of man inviting to date a foreigner or a Filipino, but I don't have time. I'm tired of, investing time and, you know, investing time and efforts, and then, at the end, you know, it's not gonna work. Congratulations, baby. Congratulations for what? You congratulate me for what? Happy anniversary. Congratulations mo kabuang oy. Ay maturog ko diri congratulations. You make so beautiful news today, my friend sister. Really? Where my picture? Hey friends with my India. Where in Philippines are you? I'm here in Manila. I'm here in Manila.